So I'm done with my ball of yarn. All of the purple color here is completed. And I just wanted to show you how you would end your color. So when you run out of thread, when it gets to be pretty low, what you're going to want to do is tie a knot. And the way that you do that is you just kind of run your needle underneath in the back, but run your needle underneath a couple of the stitches, just pull it out, and then you can put your needle underneath that loop, kind of tie a little knot. I usually do it twice, just to kind of secure your thread back there. And then you just cut it off, get a new piece of thread, and you can start again.